Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing my makeup. It cannot be longer than 15 minutes because I don't know how to verify it. It's stupid. Okay, so we're going in with this quickly under the eye. Oh my gosh, that pulls my skin so bad. I hate that. And let me just, I have to go quick. I'm trying to be quick. So basically, now get ready with me, but yes, oh, look at that. It's supposed to be an internet. Oh yeah, alright. And yes, I am filming this on a tablet. I need a phone too. Okay. I need a phone on this too. Okay, after that I use this. And I put it on my brush. Basically tap it on my face. In places. Boom, boom, boom. So I do this side. Under my chin. Onto the side. Ow, fudge. Alright. Let me just... This is just good for skin that, like, because I have, like, a really big, like, pimple that it's not ready to pop. And there we go. There may have to be a part 2. I don't know, because I cannot verify this. It's being all snotty. Okay, let's get this right here. Boom, I got it all. And then after this, I just put it all back. And here's what I do with this right here. I take this, put it on my cheek right here, and then also right here, and then right here, and right here. Oh my gosh. And then I blend it in. It's basically a fast. Get ready with me just to be fast. And I don't want my videos to be too long, or else my dad will get suspicious. He's very controlling. So after this, we are going with my eyeshadow. And I'm using this eyeshadow. I don't think I want to show it to you. It's kind of weird. And then I'm using this brush, not the brush that I have in here, but not this. And I'm going to just put it on the insides for glow. And then I use the 1, 2, 3. And I use the 4th one right here on my eyes. And I just blend it. And I blend. Not blend it, just put it on my eye. Right here. And, oh, that's what I was forgetting. My mascara. Cool. Where did I put my mascara? What the frick are you? I have a brown, it's not really a brown colored oh, that's where it is. I had it out. And then I use my second color next to the white color on top like this, just to like kind of blend it out. Okay. And I blend it out. But can we also talk about how controlling parents are? When I'm a parent, I will just be like, set boundaries. Like, you can do this, but you also blah, blah, blah. It's like this. I'm just going to use this. done with that. Then I use this again for, you know, just that. Alright. Then I put my cover back on, and it's also, it says naked. I don't know what it says. I think it says naked. Naked. Don't forgetting to put that in, and I'm like, no. Why would you do that? Don't try me. Do you know what's really, like, just annoying straight up at parents? They set rules and, like my little brother, I was sitting in my room, my little brother kept annoying me, and my dad heard me, like, yell, like, get out of my room, and then he didn't, like, complain about it. But when he heard a thud and Walter crying, he tried yelling at me, and I was like, no. I was sitting in my room. Walter accidentally fell, and also, before you put on all your lipstick, I would recommend putting chapstick under it. And, like, he started yelling at me, like, what did you do? And I was like, bro, I didn't do anything. And they say use lipstick as blush, so this is testing. Don't want to use a ton, but I'm desperate. So let me just grab my, whatever this is called. I'm freaking losing my mind over here. Yeah, it's good for a natural look. I go for natural looks because I'm just a natural look person. But, like, and he started yelling at me. He said sorry after he realized it wasn't me. And I'm like, Walter, my little brother, actually just screams when he cries. And I just get super mad about that. And I'm like, just gonna brush my hair. And I'm sitting here like, no, I didn't do nothing. I literally just sat in my room. I'm sitting in my room, like, basically doing nothing. And that stuff. And all. And so I'm sitting here just, and then he starts screaming at me, and I told you the story multiple times. And I'm like, no, I didn't. So he just assumes, and he tells me not to assume. Then he compares me with an old man when he tells me that I compare myself with siblings. Like, I'm not tripping, right? Or is it just my dad putting on motion? And I'm like, I did nothing. Oh, and comment down below what your, what do you call it? How many days until school for you? Mine is 10, and I'm freaking out. I'm just freaking out because I'm like, no, I don't want school. Oh, my hair is so poofy today. Like, look. Trying to curl it. Trying to do that. What happens when I hold it? Get out of that hair. I do not like my hair up. Or even down. I like my hair up in, like, hair clips. This is the hair clip I like. I got it at Walmart for $150. After I was like grabbing two hair clips that were for what do you call it? 980 something, and I was like, oh my gosh. And there was even like one that was like for 9 something. I was like, what the heck? And so I'm like sitting here, and then I found like one like, and then we were at the checkout counter, and I saw it, and I was like, Mom, look, I found one that's cheaper. And she's like, oh, grab it and put that one back. And like, the other one was very aesthetic for fall, but what the frick was that? Gritty, is there a mouse? I'm just gonna end this. Bye.